Hi, my name is Hector. I am 70 years old and I've been into health, nutrition, fitness for 56 years. I want to answer some of these questions that I get by some of the people that follow me I've trained and advised, and I want to give you the answers to those questions. So that way maybe you can benefit through them. Um, Question 130: Why is it harder to lose weight as we get older? Why is it harder to lose weight as we get older? Well, there's a lot of answers to that, and there is a variation of answers to that. And a person that has been going through life on a yo-yo syndrome, they lost weight again and they lost again. They really haven't paid any attention to nutrition. They haven't changed their lifestyle. They don't either care or don't know the difference between chemically processed food and organic food. They put junk into their systems, and as we get older and put enough junk into your systems, eventually something in your system is going to fail. Okay. The next thing is that the body is pretty smart. You know, you start punishing them by putting them in this weird diet to lose weight, and then at one point your body says that's not going to happen anymore. So you can't. It's going to be harder for you. It's no different than having a car and asking, why is it that I beat the crap out of my car? I put the wrong gasoline, the wrong oil in it. I just seldom put water. Sometimes I put Kool-Aid in there instead of water. I don't get it. As the car got older, it is difficult for that car to work as good as it did when it was new. Well, had you treated that car correctly, then you would have had no problems, okay? You wouldn't have the problems that you currently have, okay? So it's going to take longer until your body realizes that you're now serious and you understand how to lose weight in a healthy manner and how to keep it off. As you get older, after you've beaten your body up and you've done all the wrong ways of losing weight, you have educated your body on all the evils of the garbage you've been doing. Your body's going, that's not going to happen, that's not going to happen, that's not going to happen. You're not going to restrict me of stuff and lose weight. So you have taught your body to counteract what you're doing. So the only way to lose weight as you get older is to eat correctly, the right nutrition, the right macros. So learn how to do that. Read down below. And if you got any questions, call me up. The old man here would be more than glad to speak with you. Thank you. Bye.